Hello. We are at Cowichan Lake and we're doing a house raising project. We've got this house here. We've disconnected our electrical lines. We've got an isolator at the front of the street, so this is we don't need to get hydro involved, which is nice right now. This house here is going to go up. We've got one beam that's already in position right there. That's been slid in with the crane and some rollers. And the other beam's just going in as we speak. This whole house is going to go up 7 feet. We're going to build new stem walls. It'll lower down 1 foot in about 3 weeks' time. Nichol Brothers will come back and do that. So they've got their crane here, and they're currently sliding this 50-foot long I-beam into place. Had a plumber disconnect the water, obviously. Electricians moving a panel. The hot water tank and the furnace have gone. All our tie downs for our plates are moved. So when it goes up, our posts here are marked. They get cut off once they're ready. Stairs are ready to go. And this beam's getting slid into the house.